So yeah, today we are going to be talking about how to layer your skincare product. The best way to layer your skincare product. I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know, how to choose which ingredient comes first or which product comes first or last. I'm going to touch everything. I'm going to answer all your questions on how to layer skincare product for your face. So that being said, the products we're going to be using today are facial cleanser, two serums, aloe vera gel, and a face cream. So I'm going to use all these things on my face, and you're going to see what my face is going to look like. Non-greasy, non-sticky. That's the point. Okay. So that being said, welcome to my channel. I'm Jenny. Welcome to Beautiful Jenny Skincare. And please like this video. Like. Subscribe if you have not. And welcome to the channel. So the first thing you want to use on your face is either your face toner or your face cleanser. After having your bath and washing your face with your soap, you would want to cleanse your face or use any form of facial toner on your face. This is not compulsory. If you do not have this in your routine, it is okay. This is just like an example of how to use different products. If you have a lot of products you want to, use on your skin and all of that. The alcohol in this is entering my mouth as I'm talking. So another thing I want to point out for layering products is, to be honest, you do not need to use a lot of products on your face, okay? But if you must, you have to do it the right way. My camera is changing this thing. If you must, you have to do it the right way. If you do it the wrong way, you are going to clog your pores and you're going to end up ruining your face because you might start breaking out and all of those things. So after cleansing my face, is don't start applying your skincare product immediately. Give your space time, like maybe 1 minute to absorb what you have put. So one secret to using different products this in the same routine, let me say in your morning or in your night routine without clogging your face and all of those things, is to space out. When you apply this one, you give some time. You apply this one, you give some time. It's not you apply serum now, you carry this one and apply, you carry this one and apply, and everything is just on your face. No one is taking time to seep into your skin. So that is the first rule of using so many products in one routine. Give your space time. So once I'm done cleaning my face now, I'm going to give my face like 2 minutes or a minute until I stop feeling that alcohol feel. You know what you feel when you apply, if you when you use a face cleanser. Yes, until I stop feeling those things and all of those things, that is when I will go ahead with the next product. So I'll be back, let my face cool down. Now, the second thing to note when using so many products in your routine is to use products or to use products that their ingredients align together. If you use products that their ingredients don't align together, you are going to ruin your face in the process. What do I mean? This is niacinamide serum and this is vitamin C serum. Now, these two things go hand in hand. Now, the cleanser I used is salicylic acid. And for some people, if you use salicylic acid and go in with vitamin C serum, it might irritate your face just for some people. But normally, you can use salicylic cleanser and your vitamin C, especially for vitamin C serums that are not so potent like that. You can use both of them. It doesn't irritate a lot of people, but for some people, it's irritates. And what will make it to irritate your skin more is immediately you just finish cleansing your face, you just carry vitamin C PM and put on top of the salicylic acid has not even finished penetrating and evaporating the ones that will go out and the ones that will go in. That process has not finished. You are topping up another product on top of it. That is where you are going to have issues. So now, just like I said, you need to know which one goes first. Now, because I used salicylic acid, the first serum I would want to go in with is niacinamide, because usually niacinamide goes easily with salicylic acid. So you are going to use this one to sort of prepare your face for the vitamin C. And another thing to note is that you are going to apply your products by the lighter ones. Okay, just like we have aloe vera gel here. I can't just come and carry aloe vera gel now and apply my face and on my face and then come and go in with the serum. it's not going to balance. So the first thing I'm going to go in with here is the niacinamide serum. This is Face Fact niacinamide serum, and I am going to use this in very little quantity, like in little drops. So usually when you are using so many things on your face, you need to use very little of all of them. Very little of all of them. Just enough to go around your face. You don't need to use too much, because when you use too much, that is when you're going to clog your pores. That is when it's going to feel heavy and greasy on your face and all of those things. So when you are using so many products, you use very little of everything, very little of everything. Okay, yeah. So after applying this one now, I would dab it into my skin and then still give it time to work, give it time to sort of calm down the salicylic acid on the surface of my skin before I go in with the next product we are going to go in with. All right, so I'll give my face time and I would come back to you. So now the niacinamide serum has properly absorbed into my skin, and then I am going to go in with my vitamin C serum. So just like I said, the things you need to note is the ingredients you are using and the quantity and the how you place them. Remember, use lighter serums. Wait, what? Serum is finished? My serum is finished. Are you serious right now? Oh my god, this is embarrassing. So you use this particular serum is thicker in consistency than, so I didn't know my serum had finished. This is embarrassing. So this particular serum is thicker in consistency than the niacinamide serum. Remember to use your product in little quantity. That is how your your face is not going to feel greasy. Okay, yeah. So while I rub this in, I'm going to let it sit, and remember to always dab in your product. Like, because of the quantity I'm using these things, my face is not even looking like I'm applying anything. This is a face now with two serums, but you wouldn't know. Okay, just because of the way I'm using it, very little. So if you use 3 pumps of your serum, when you are having multiple things you are using, you can just use 1.5. Cut every portion like into two and use half of it. Yeah. So this is like, this one has sat perfectly in my skin. Then the next thing we are going to go in with is the aloe vera gel. Now, remember, this is a demo. This is not my face routine. I am just using this as a demo because someone asked this particular question. So I am also going to use my aloe vera gel in little quantity. Now, some people wonder what aloe vera gel does to your face. Aloe vera gel is soothing, and this particular one contains allantoin, which also helps in face brightening. Okay, yeah, and it helps to lighten dark spots, helps with hyperpigmentation, it helps with sunburn. So if you have all of those things, you would do well to add aloe vera gel to your face routine. So after applying this, I would let it sit for a while. This is what the aloe vera gel gives. It gives this glow. Like, I really like this particular cup aloe vera gel. I said it in the video where I talked about aloe vera gels or something. I prefer this cup one. Like, there's a way it feels on the face. It gives this glow, it gives this shine, and it contains allantoin. Yeah, that's the potent ingredient it contains. It really feels good on your skin. So after applying this, if you use sunscreen, so I would advise using your sunscreen at this stage over using your face cream. But for some people who like to use their face creams, you can use both, but really there is no need. Okay, so after using your serums, using the aloe vera gel, the next thing you should go in with is your sunscreen. So when you are not using your sunscreen, you are going to go in with your face cream. So in the case, collagen whitening face cream, that's what we're using. And remember, you are going to use this in very small quantity. Yeah, you do not use too much of your face cream. Okay, so we are done, and I have successfully layered 4 products on my face, and my face is not looking it. So this is how to layer your skincare product. Now at this point, let's say I was going out and I still want to use my sunscreen. I can still go ahead and apply my sunscreen, and my face would not even show that I used 6 different products on them. That is because I layered them well and I use them in little quantities. The secret to layering products, whether for your skin or for your face, is to use them in little quantities. And just like I said, you can skip moisturizer, especially in the daytime. You can skip your moisturizer for your sunscreen, because sunscreen is also moisturizing. It contains basically some ingredients that your face cream contains. So in the morning, just use your sunscreen, use your serums, as many as they are that you can combine. Use your aloe vera gel if you want, and then top up with your sunscreen, and you're good to go. Then at night, you skip the sunscreen, and then you can use this for your face routine. So basically, I am done, and this is how to properly layer your face care products without any hassle, without clogging your pores, without sweating and feeling caked and baked and heavy. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this one, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on our next one.